Here's Kay with the new kayak, my new athletic friend. We're going to be getting matching kayaks. This is Brian helping her.
Grab that one there.
We have a crab pot here. We're at the beautiful river spot on the Shallotte River, and it's a beautiful day for Kay to show her skills at kayaking. Her and I are going to join some kayaking clubs. I found some in Wilmington, North Carolina. And I haven't gotten my kayak yet. I'm going to learn from Kay. All right. So you have to put your line in, okay. You're barefooted. All right.
And away she goes.
She's going to do the great loop down the Mississippi. Here she is. She's going to go down the Snake River. Good job.
She's a pro.
Is the current very strong, Kay?
No.
Good. That's the Challenger K1 it's called. Can you tell the tide is working against you a little bit? It's turning you a little bit? I'm going to try to zoom in on my camera. I haven't done all this yet, so I'm going to... There I go. It works. How long do you stay out, Kay, when you do it? 40 minutes, wow. Well, I know it's going to be good for building up my arms, so I'll catch you on your way back.